Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope guys you are doing well. Guys, right now in front of you HP LaserJet Pro, model number is M130A. What is the issue with this printer? If I will give print command, you'll see the print output and will let you know what is the problem and how to fix this. If you will see the print quality, there is the black lines and very dark shade on the right side, and also print output is not clear. What is the problem in this machine? I will tell you step by step. First of all, open the top cover and open the tuner cover also, the place to insert tuner. And if I will zoom in, you will see downside there is 17A tuner. This is the ink cartridge, tuner cartridge, okay. And the top side is this is 19A drum. Remove this drum and you will see the quality of drum. This drum is causing the print quality bad. Okay, so what to do? Just clean this drum very well. Clean this inside the ruler also, inner ruler and outer ruler. Clean the drum and then insert back again and to check the quality of the print. Hopefully it will work if there is a minor issue with the drum. I will replace a new drum right now. After replace the new drum, you can find it in the local market. The new drum is available. It's not costly, around $10. $10 to $15 you can get compatible, not HP genuine, it's a compatible by HP. And this is a new drum unit. Okay, I will insert it and insert very carefully without damaging the drum, and then insert back the tuner. And now we will close the top cover and we will check again the print quality of this machine. Okay, now it's initializing. Let it complete initialize, then we will give the print test page command. Okay, it's ready now. I will give print test page. This was the before replacing the drum and this is after replacing the drum. You can see it's very neat and clean. There is no issue at all. The issue was with the drum. Okay, so first of all, if you ever found the printout with the black muds or black lines on the right or left side, you have to check your drum unit. Clean the drum and fix back again or replace the new drum. The issue will be resolved. Hopefully you understand the method. If you have any question regarding this printer, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. Take care guys. Bye.